y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. And as always, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description below, today we are unboxing the January 2019 My Fashion Crate. I really like this subscription. It is super fun. It's got a little bit of everything. A little bit about it. There are 3 different plans that they offer. They have just an accessories package where you will receive, obviously accessories and jewelry type items. You'll get 2 to 3 items for $20. Then they have an essentials box. It is $35. You receive 3 to 4. And in that one, you can receive the jewelry and accessories, which you could also receive like a shirt or something. And then they have the premium box, which is $49.95. You receive 5 to 8 items, and it's kind of the same as the essential, where you're going to receive jewelry or accessories, some clothing. That is actually the one that they send to me, is the premium box. So I am excited to dive in here and show you guys. I will make sure to put a link below if you would like to sign up for My Fashion Crate. So let's dive in and see what January 2019 is all about. It is packed. Whew, okay. Let's see. So January 2019. So let's just pull something out. Oh. Oh, this is pretty. I haven't even actually opened it all the way, and I can already tell this is super pretty. So here we have, let's see. Mauve Maria crossbody. This crossbody bag is easy to rock this year. You can also tuck the shoulder strap into the bag and use as a clutch for extra versatility. This is easy to dress up or down. The options are limitless. Has a tag right here and says suggested retail value is $32. This is super cute. So we have this front compartment here, and then we have the bigger compartment that has stuff in it. So remove that. So we can see it's like a divided. It almost feels like a suede. It feels really nice. And then obviously, you do have the long strap, so you could use the crossbody, or like it said, you could tuck this in and then you could just have it as a clutch. So that is really cute. I like that. I like that a lot. So moving right along. Oh, I felt something hard fall to the bottom. What are you? Minky Accessories Socks. It says cute fit socks covered in our favorite prints, worn with jeans, leggings, or bare legs. These socks add just the right touch to any outfit. It says $15 value. These are super cute. They are super, super soft and thick, so they would be warm. And look, you guys, they have cute little kitties on them. How adorable. These are definitely, I don't know that I would be wearing these out and about, but I would definitely be rocking these at the house the next 6 weeks that we'll probably have cooler temperatures, because they are super, super thick and soft and cozy. So, and they have a good little kitty. So these are so adorable. I'm excited for those. Let's see. What am I feeling down here? Busy Beauty showerless shampoo. Oh, so it's like a dry shampoo. The Charlotte shampoo not only soaks up excess oil, it cleans hair and adds volume. It works on all hair colors because it leaves no visible residue or powdery buildup behind. It absorbs and removes oil, sweat, and odor. It makes your hair look, feel, and smell clean. It's simple, spray on and brush through. It is a $10 value. So yeah, love dry shampoo. That's awesome. And this is pretty. This is from Lauren B. Beauty. Vintage on the Vine, one of the prettiest nail colors of the season. This true creamy mauve warms up even the palest skin tones and has a lovely chameleon-like quality. Depending on the light, the effect wavers between a dusky purple and a gorgeous Instagram vintage filter taupe. It's an $18 value. I am definitely seeing more of like a purple here. Now on camera it does look almost taupe, but in person to me right now it looks purple. That is really pretty. Very, very pretty. And then the next item we have is a brow wand from Scone Cosmetics. When it comes to brows, symmetry and thickness is everything. Create sleek, sexy brows with our brow wand. On one end, you have a retractable pencil that will give you a pigmented, blendable color. And on the other, we have a top-notch brow brush that will help control and shape your brow hairs. Our brow wand is perfect for those who want a natural-looking brow with a finished look. So it's an $18 value. So here it is. So that is awesome. So I'm saying this box has such a great variety. Yeah, so gonna move right along. And then the next item is actually a shirt. New year, new you, live your dream. Need a little motivation for the New Year's resolution? Wear this top to remind yourself to live your dream. This top also features a crew neck and cute short sleeves. It's so easy to layer with a cardigan or throw on over jeans. So it's a $35 value. And that is super, super cute, you guys. Like, super cute, and it's so soft. I love that. All right, and we have one more item. This box like never ends. They definitely do pack it full. And this is a soft open knit cardigan. This lightweight cardigan is the perfect choice for staying cozy. The delicate light green is so easy to love. And this is a $50 value. And this is so cute. I can already see right here, and I love, it's just like open and pretty. And I actually really like this color. Like, I like this color a lot, and it is very soft, which is good. So yeah, let's see, we got a cardigan, the shirt, the dry shampoo, the eyebrow pencil, the nail polish, the cute kitty socks, and the purse. So this box was slam full. Craziness. So I will make sure to leave any or all of the information down below for you guys, a link as well as pricing if you would like to sign up for my fashion crate. As you can see, like I said, it comes jam-packed every month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. I liked hearing from you guys. Otherwise, I will talk with you with the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.